Alright guys, check out this product. It's called NMN. It stands for nicotinamide mononucleotide. And what it is a natural occurring molecule. It's actually a precursor to NAD+. And what NAD+ does in the body is it helps with your cellular health. So this is a dietary supplement you can take. It comes with 60 capsules, okay, and they're 500 milligrams each. It's recommended that you take one capsule per use, okay, per day. And it recommends you drink it with a glass of water along with a meal. And what the benefits of this are is that it's going to help you with your skin health, your cardiovascular health, and your muscle health. Okay, and it also can do some anti-aging stuff and cardiovascular support. And that's because the NAD+ molecule helps with your cellular health and helps regulate your cells and gene expression to help make these things happen. Always when taking supplements, make sure you speak with the doctor and make sure that these are the right products for you.